Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on audio description function in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to turn on audio description? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility functions and then spoken assistance, and here we have audio description. So what does it do? We have short explanation here. If available, automatically select the audio soundtrack with an audio description while watching videos. So if we want to have it on, we simply check this box and now this option will be available to us. No need to save, back out from this menu, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.